Hello everyone, welcome to Flavors from Brazil, where we explore delicious recipes from around the world. I'm Michael, and today I'm thrilled to share with you a classic Brazilian dish, black bean stew. But before we dive into the kitchen, if you're excited about exploring new flavors and cultures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our mouth-watering recipes. Let's take a look at what we need for our Brazilian black bean stew. Here's a list of ingredients: black beans, onion, garlic, bell pepper, tomatoes, bay leaves, cilantro, bacon, optional for extra flavor, salt and pepper. Now, let's chop up our onions, garlic, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Oh, and don't forget to rinse those black beans thoroughly. Once our stew is ready, it's time to season to taste with salt and pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. We want those flavors to pop. To finish off our Brazilian black bean stew, sprinkle some freshly chopped cilantro on top. It adds a burst of freshness that complements the hearty beans perfectly. And there you have it, folks. Our Brazilian black bean stew is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it with some fluffy rice and maybe a slice of crusty bread on the side. Trust me, it's a meal you won't forget. If you give this recipe a try, I'd love to hear how it turned out for you. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow foodies. Until next time, happy cooking!